You know, everyone's against each other now because of you. Shh. What is it?
Something's tracking us.
What's out there?
I don't know, but it's big. I don't know, but if they think it makes them the alpha, then they can... Fruity needs our help!
Shocker! What's going on?
Guys, look out!
I got it! Take it away, Gabe! Throw your hands up! Into the floor! Here's what to do, now get down on all fours! Just bounce around, it's easy, follow me! Go crazy now, when beep beep like a sheep!
Okay, everyone stand together. Okay, sheep, bring it.
You got to beep! Guys, wait for me! You shouldn't be...
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep beep like a sheep?
Take it away, Gabe! Throw your hands up, then point them to the floor! Here's what to do, now get down on all fours! Just bounce around, it's easy, follow me! Go crazy now, when beep beep like a sheep!
Yeah, so you know how to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But is that all you can do?